An industrial plant is a complex system. There are thousands of interrelated assets that contribute to its overall performance. Monitoring them is vital because even the smallest failure of one of these assets can lead to catastrophic events and cost-intensive operational disruptions. Keeping an eye on all of them is almost impossible. Well, it used to be. With LOCTITE Pulse, a brand new data-enabled solution, you can keep an eye on your critical equipment continuously, like a pulse. Your assets provide invaluable data about their health status, maintenance needs, and imminent risks. Start listening to them to act instead of react. Right from your smart device, adaptable to your existing equipment. Play it safe. Listen to your equipment's heartbeat.